Hello students, today in this video I will explain you the remaining question of exercise 2. All of you see the question number 4, part number 5th. This is the question 1 whole 1 upon 5 multiply big bracket then small bracket 6 whole 1 upon 3 minus 3 whole 2 upon 5 bracket close divided by 4 whole 2 upon 5 big bracket. So first of all what we will do, what is the first step? First of all, we will change all the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 and 5 plus 1, 6 upon 5 multiply 6 3 18 plus 1, 19 upon 3 minus 5 3 15, 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5 divided by 5 4 20, 20 plus 2, 22 upon 5 bracket close. After changing all the mixed fraction, we have to use BODMAS. BODMAS we will write here in the rough BODMAS. So first of all we have to solve braces. Small bracket we will solve first. After that we have to solve curly bracket. And on the third number we have to solve big bracket. So first of all we have to solve this small bracket. 6 upon 5 multiply big bracket small bracket divided by 22 upon 5. What we have done here, all the remaining things we will write as it is. First of all we have to solve inside this small bracket. LCM we will take 5 and 3 LCM will be 15. 3 5 ja 15. 5 into 19 we will do minus 5 3 ja 15, 3 into 17 we will do now we have to subtract these two numbers. (95) minus 51 when we will do, then answer will be 44 upon 50 divided by 22 upon 5 bracket close. Now in the next step what we have to do, this divide sign we have to change into multiply according to BODMAS. This small bracket we had solved. Now the term is of curly bracket, but here in the question curly bracket is not coming, that's why we will come to big bracket. So inside this big bracket divide is coming. So what we will do, this divide we will change into multiply sign, and when we will change this divide into multiply, right hand side number will get reciprocal. So 5 upon 22 we will write. 22 2 ja 44, 5 3 ja 15. Now 6 upon 5 multiply 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3. Now we will solve them. 3 2 ja 6, so final answer we are getting 4 upon 5. So this is your final answer of part number 5th. Like this you have to do 5th part. Now all of you see next question, part number 7. Here in this question you will observe bar is given. This line means bar. So before using BODMAS we have to solve this bar first. First of all we have to solve bar. After solving bar we will use BODMAS. So under this bar minus is there, that means we have to subtract these two. So what we will do, this mixed fraction we will change. 7 3 ja 21, 21 plus 2 23 upon 3 plus 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 11 upon 5 minus small bracket 2 upon 3 multiply. Here we have to subtract these two because we have to solve this bar first. So we will take LCM. 4 and 5 LCM will be 20. 4 5 ja 20, 5 into 3 15. 5 4 ja 20, 4 into 1 will be 4. Now in the next step we will solve these two numbers. 23 upon 3 plus curly bracket 11 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3 multiply 15 minus 3 we will do. 15 minus 3 will be 11 upon 20. Sorry, 15 minus 4 11 upon 20, small bracket close, curly bracket close. Now this bar is over. Now we have to solve according to board mass. So we will solve the small bracket first. 2 and 20 both will get cancelled. On solving them, we will write here these numbers we have to write as it is. Multiply we will do here. 1 into 11, 11. 3 into 10 will be 30. This small bracket we will remove now because this multiplication we had done. Now curve bracket. Now we have to take the LCM and then we will subtract these numbers. LCM we will take 5 and 30 LCM we will take, answer will be 30. Here in the rough you can find both the numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. So remaining number is 6 only. So 6 into 5 and we will do, then LCM we will get 30. This is the shortcut way to find the LCM. 5 6 ja 30, 6 into 11 will be 66, 30 1 ja 30, 1 into 11 will be 11. Now 23 upon 3 plus, when we will subtract these two, answer will be 55 upon 30. Since this subtraction is over, no need to put the bracket. This bracket will get removed. Now these two numbers we can cancel with the same table. 5 6 ja 30, 5 11 ja. So here we are getting 23 upon 3 plus 11 upon 6. Now we will take the LCM and then we will add 3 and 6 LCM will be 6. 3 2 ja 6, 2 into 23 will be 46. 6 1 ja 6, 1 into 11 will be 11. On adding these numbers we will get 57 upon 6. Both the number will get cancelled with a table of 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, remainder 2, 3 9 ja. Answer is 19 upon 2. So this is your final answer of part number 7. Now all of you see part number 8. 8th part. Question is 2 whole 2 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 plus curly bracket 1 whole 4 upon 7 divided by 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7 multiply 3 upon 8. This is the question. What we will do here? First of all, we will change all the mixed fractions. 5 to the 10, 10 plus 2, 12 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 plus 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 4, 11 upon 7 divide 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 7 multiply 3 upon 8. So all the mixed fraction we had converted into improper fraction. Now we will use board mass. First of all we have to solve B. B stands for small bracket. Then first number is for small bracket. Then after that we have to solve curly bracket, and after that we have to solve large bracket. Now this small bracket we have to solve first. 12 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 plus 11 upon 7 divided by, rest of the things we will write as it is. First of all we have to solve this small bracket. 7 and 5 LCM will be 35. 5 7 ja, 7 5 ja, 5 into 3 will be 15. Now we will add them. Rest of the things we will write as it is. 12 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 plus 11 upon 7 divided by, on adding them we will get 15 plus 7, 22 upon 35. Small bracket is removed now because this addition we had done. Curly bracket we will write multiply 3 upon 8. Curly bracket close. Now in the next step what we will do? We will solve this curly bracket now. Rest of the things we will write as it is. Rest all the things we had written here. In this curly bracket, divide is coming. So rule is this divide we will change into multiply, and right hand side number we have to do reciprocal. 11 2 ja 7 5 ja. Now these numbers we have to multiply, these two fractions we have to multiply together. Rest of the things we will write same. 1 into 5 will be 5, 1 into 2 will be 2, multiply 3 upon 8. So this curly bracket we had removed now because we had done the multiplication. Multiply 3 upon 8 we had written as it is. Now this curly bracket is over. After curly bracket, large bracket is coming, big bracket. So inside this big bracket you will observe that two signs are coming, plus and minus. This is addition and this is multiplication. In the BODMAS, if you will check, multiplication is coming first, addition is coming afterward. So first of all we have to multiply, because according to BODMAS, addition we have to do later on. First of all we will multiply, nothing will get cancelled, so we will just multiply here. 12 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 plus 5 upon 2, we will multiply. 5 into 3 15, 8 into 2 16. Now we will add these two numbers with the help of LCM. We will take LCM. LCM of 8 and 16 will be 16. Here we will get 10. 16 1 just 16. 1 into 15 will be 15. Now 12 upon 5 of 10 plus 15 25 upon 16. Now of means multiply, we will change into multiply. Here we will not do reciprocal. Why we will not do reciprocal? Because here it is off. Off directly we will write multiply. If here it will be divide sign, then we have to do the reciprocal. So we are not doing reciprocal, we are just putting multiply sign. Now we will cancel these numbers. 5 5 ja 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. Now we will multiply. 3 into 5 will be 15, 1 into 4 will be 4. So final answer we are getting here is 15 upon 4. So like this you have to do part number 8. Now this exercise is over. Exercise number 2B, all the questions I had explained you. Rest of the questions which I had given you in the homework, all the parts are same. So your homework is, you all have to finish this exercise number 2B in your fair notebook. In the next video I will explain you the next exercise.